Thank you very much for watching this video on how to access the new secret web page that goes with Martin's Dark Horses book. The first thing to do is go to martenjulian.com and log in with your username, email address, and then your password. Click on login. Once logged in, please click on the words My Account that appear in the top right. This takes you to your dashboard, or welcome page as I prefer to call it. Hopefully under My Memberships you'll see the words DHA 2019. You can click there or on the word View. You're now inside your membership associated with this book, and again you can click on the words or you can click on View. And this is the page where I update the entries 3 times a week on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. For the sake of this video, I've had to put a gap here so that the horses' names aren't visible, but normally they appear directly under the date and time in which this page was last updated. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.